Hi students, today we are going to discuss about powers with negative exponents. I am talking about the chapter 12 exponents and powers, class 8 Cbse. Then powers with negative exponents. That means we are going to discuss with the negative exponents. First example, 10 square. What is 10 square? We have to write 2 times 10, then that is 100. The next one, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2 it is. Then if you are writing 10 raised to 1, then 10 itself. Then 10 raised to 0 equal to, all together it will become 1. That means 1 we can write it as 10 by 10. This number 1 we can write it as 10 by 10 or 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 like that. Okay, then next we are discussing negative exponents. Look, negative exponent 10 raised to minus 1. Then we have to write it as 1 by 10. We have to write the negative exponent as 1 by that number, that base. Okay, then 10 raised to 2 means 1 by 10 raised to 2. 10 raised to minus 2 equal to 1 by 10 raised to 2. That is 1 by 10 into 10. That is 1 by 100. Or we can write it as 1 by 10 raised to 2. That is 10 raised to minus 2. We can write it as 1 by 10 raised to 2. Minus will go now. Okay. The next one, 3. Like this, we are writing now this base 10. Then next examples we will write as 3 cube. Then how we will write 3 cube? 3 we have to write 3 times. Then pair it and write it as 27. Okay. Multiply and write 27. Then 3 square we can write it as 3 into 3. Then pair it and then equal to 9. Then we have to, they are giving 3 raised to 1 equal to 3 itself. That everybody know. 3 raised to 0 equal to 1. Then that is 3 by 3 or 10 by 10. Any number you can write it as 3 by 3. Okay. Then we are going to consider negative exponents. Then that is 3 raised to minus 1. How we will write 3 raised to minus 1? Equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 raised to 1 we can write, but we are not writing that 1. 1 by 3 is the answer. Then 3 raised to minus 2 means 1 by 3 raised to 2. That is 1 by 3 into 3. 3 raised to 2 or 3 square. 3 into 3. We can write this 3 raised to 2. You can write, call it as square also. 3 square. Then 3 into 3. Then equal to 1 by 9. Wrong it is. 1 by 9. Okay, we can write it as 1 by 9. Then 3 raised to minus 3 equal to 1 by 3 raised to 3. That is 3 cube. We can call it as 3 cube also. Then 1 by 3, you have to write 3 times. 3, 3, 3. Okay. Then that is, pair it and write 1 by 27. Okay. Then answer is 1 by 27 or 3 cube. 1 by 3 cube. Then we can call it as a raised to minus m. In general we can tell a raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. Okay. Then in general these are 2 examples. Then from that 2 examples we are getting into one conclusion. Then that is a raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m, where m is any positive integer. M is any positive integer. Then a raised to minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a raised to m. Then if anybody are asking what is the multiplicative inverse of a raised to m, then how you will write? That is a raised to minus m. You have to give one minus there. Okay, otherwise you can write it as 1 by a raised to m also. Then you have to change the sign. If anybody are asking what is the multiplicative inverse of a raised to minus m, then you will write it as a raised to m. Then opposite this sign you have to write. That is the multiplicative inverse. Inverse, what is inverse? The opposite. Okay, inverse means that is the answer, or a raised to m, then multiplicative inverse of a raised to m is the a raised to minus m. Okay, then we will go to another question. This is also an important question. Expand, then you have to expand this number. This is also important in this chapter. How we will expand? In this lower classes we studied how to expand the number, this positive integer. How will write? If they are giving number like this, you have to count ones, tens, hundred, thousands, like that. Then you can write 1 means thousands. It is 1 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Then you can write it as 1 into 10 cube, that is 1000 10 cube. 4 into 10 square plus 2 into 10 plus 5. Okay. Then this way we will expand. Lower classes we studied all these. 1, 4, 2, 5. This full digit number you can write like this. How to expand? You know. But if there is point, then you have to be careful. That is 1425.36. Then you have to write 1 into, how you will write? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 1 into 1000. For that I am writing 10 cube plus 4 into 10 square plus 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Then point, after point you have to write, take the number, write like this. Then 1 by 10. Not ones. From here it is ones. From here it is tens. 1 by 10. Then plus 6 into 1 by 100. This 1 by you have to take after this point. Okay. Then after that you have to write 1 into 10 cube plus 4. Same thing. You have to write 10 into 3 into 10 raised to minus 1 plus 6 into 10 raised to minus 2. This 1 by you can write it as 10 raised to minus 1. Then 6 into 10 raised to minus 2. Like that you have to expand this question. These two sample questions are very important in this chapter. Okay, thank you.